The Supreme Court recently issued a ruling allowing more than a dozen states to continue counting mail-in ballots that arrive after Election Day, provided they are postmarked by the deadline. This decision, which saw two Republican-appointed justices side with the court's liberal wing, represents a setback for President Trump and Republicans who had sought to restrict the counting of such ballots. The court's reasoning was that federal law does not explicitly prohibit states from having these grace periods for mail ballots. However, this apparent defeat for Republicans is tempered by another, less publicized case the Supreme Court has agreed to hear. This upcoming case, originating from Arizona, could pave the way for stricter voter ID laws and more aggressive efforts to remove suspected non-citizens from voter rolls. While this ruling is not expected before the upcoming midterm elections, it aligns with a broader Republican agenda to tighten election rules, even if it risks disenfranchising eligible voters. Experts note that this case could have significant implications for state election laws and voter registration practices in the future. This mail ballot ruling follows a broader trend where the Supreme Court has recently favored states' rights in election matters. Earlier this year, a conservative majority significantly weakened the Voting Rights Act, making it more difficult for minority voters to challenge redistricting plans that may discriminate based on race. This decision has already been used by Republicans to redraw electoral maps in ways that could reduce minority representation. While the court's recent decisions have had mixed outcomes for Republicans, particularly concerning election administration and voter access, the overarching theme appears to be a move towards greater state control over election laws. The justices have emphasized narrow interpretations of federal statutes, often deferring policy choices to legislatures. This approach, while not always beneficial to one party, signifies a shift in how the judiciary engages with complex election-related disputes.